100% sure, guys, BTC will be rise up now from this position. Definitely we will be see, my friends, the confirm breakout, and my brothers, confirm it will be reach, my brothers, to our price target. Let's discuss what is the next price target of Bitcoin. But remember, if you want unlimited VIP signal, must join my Telegram group, because I provide a crazy signals, also premium available and also free available. So join now, the link is in the description. Check it out, my Telegram group. My brothers, as you can see here, this time BTC price was completely rising up, you can see here, from this position, and definitely we will be see a short pump, but it was stuck in from this position. This is a very strong resistance line, you can see here. Absolutely, if we see a breakout from this position, definitely we will be see a huge pump and Bitcoin. Okay guys, so wait for, my friends, confirm breakout. Don't take any entry before, my friends, confirm breakout or breakdown, my brothers. Also, if we see a breakdown, we will be take a short position. No, don't worry, my brothers. Possibilities to BTC price will be crashed down, my friends, to 25k. Okay guys, but absolutely, if it will be reached, my friend, 27,200, this is confirmed, my brothers. BTC will be easily reach out 30k. Okay guys, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy video. Please like, subscribe, and join Telegram group.